In this video, we'll explore one more NPM library. This is cast v2 client. So with the last one, mdns.js, so we were able to explore all the Wi-Fi devices that were connected in our Wi-Fi network. In this one, we'll see how to interact with one of those. This one is used using a Chromecast client-based new cast v2 protocol. So it is used to cast video to your TV. So once your TV IP is discovered, you can use the APIs available or the functions available in this module or this library to cast any video. There is examples here. So I have tested it before. So let me take the part of it that we need. So we need this default media receiver. So I'll import this. So if I go to the top, now for importing this, you will need to do an npm install with this library. Okay, this is installed. Next thing we need is this browser and all those things we have already done, but yeah, you can see this is using a different library, not mdns-js, it is using mdns. I even tried using this one but was getting error while installing this dependency itself, something Python related dependency error. So we are good with mdns-js. We'll just use the other part of the code. So we'll try this. We'll create a new client and do a connect. And this, since our application is displaying all sort of devices, so we want to do only on the Google Cast one. So for that, what I will do, uh, see here, we'll check on the name. So only when it's Google Cast for that device, we'll be doing it. This host will be the IP. So instead of host, you can use data dot addresses 0. And what we will log here, just say connected. See, even the client requires to be imported. So both are required. There is other way, you can just do a require of this one, and then on the reference of this one you can give dot client and dot default media receiver wherever needed. We'll import this. Default media receiver is not being used right now, client is needed. See, we are getting connected. Okay, and looks like we are getting 2 times connected, so we'll just make sure it happens once. So for that, we'll just add some flag. So now we are connected just once. Okay, so next, see, after connecting we want to call this one client dot launch. Okay, this will give us a player object. We can log this player. If any error is there, we can log that also. You see, we are getting the player object. Okay, this is printing a lot of things, so we don't need this much output in our console. So I'll comment it out. Okay, going back, we have the player. Now it is creating a media object. This metadata you can keep or not. Okay, let me take this whole. Okay, this is a media object. It is having the video link that is going to be played in the TV, and then this is a sort of thumbnail. When the video pauses, this will be showing up. So yeah, we have our media object ready. This is not doing anything, just creating one variable. Next is we have to use this media by doing a player dot. These things we don't need player on this. There were some errors, so just do this one player dot board. Okay, player dot load is loading this media. Autoplay is true. Function error comma status. We'll just log this. If error. Okay, so these things will be logging. So it did cast in my TV screen, but my TV screen is off. So let me do one thing. Let me start a webcam and show you how it is happening. So let me stop it. So I'm using this Camo Studio app for displaying my phone's camera here. This is my TV. I will rerun this. You can see it casted, but it is not coming in the forefront. I'm just seeing a link that I need to do an open, and then it will show. So 1 second. So I'm going to retry this. I have opened YouTube app so that it will be a new app. So let me see whether it gets casted to the forefront or not. So I'm rerunning it. Yeah, looks like this is now coming in the forefront. Since I was in a different app, it will try to bring it up. Let's say this is our thumbnail while it is loading, and this is the video. So yeah, that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll try to do this section from the UI.